My today's topic is chemical bonding. To understand this chemical bonding, there are some points of the previous videos which we must have in our mind, and I just like to give you the recap of it. Number one, that all the stuff around us is made of tiny particles, and these tiny particles are called atoms. Atoms have even smaller particles in them, that is electron, proton and neutron. Electrons are negatively charged particles, protons are positively charged particles, and neutrons have no charge on them. So it means that atom has charge in it, and these charged particles are electron, protons. These atoms combine with other atoms. A variety of compounds around us are possible because atoms join with other atoms and atoms combine with other atoms. For example, water H2O, so hydrogen and oxygen combine to give us water, is one of the very important compound with us. And the other compound, I may give you an example, like sodium chloride. So if atoms do not join with other, the variety of compounds around us are not possible. So it is very important to understand that how atoms join with one another, how atoms combine with one another, and why atoms join with one another, why atoms combine with one another. So bonding is the way in which atoms join together and combine with one another. So bonding is the way in which atoms join together and combine with one another. And when they combine with one another, then the arrangement of this combination of atoms is called structure of the compound. So if we want to understand the physical and the chemical properties, which is very important in chemistry, a lot of questions in exam come from this section, that about the properties of, about the physical, about the chemical properties of the compounds. And for the understanding of this, we must have to understand the type of the bonding of the compound and the structure of the atoms present in that compound. Therefore, I like to repeat my point that bonding is the way in which atoms join together and combine with one another. And when the atoms join and combine with one another, this combination of atoms, the arrangement of this combination of atoms is the structure of the compound. And it is very important to understand about the type of bonding and the structure of the compound to predict or to understand about the physical and the chemical properties of the various compounds around us.